Hi everyone, I'm Elliot Toe, President of the International Home Marketing Group, and on behalf of Icon Homes, it's my pleasure to welcome you to this very special VIP presentation for Park District. For over 30 years, Icon has followed a customer-first approach to building fine homes all across the GTA. Today, with Park District, they continue to connect families to the environment, distinctive communities designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. In the past few years, Icon Homes has built several communities in Pickering. For example, Forest District is a limited collection of urban homes at Altona and Finch in the beauty of West Pickering's protected woodlands. Central District is yet another urban townhome community in the heart of Pickering, close to shops, parks, schools, Highway 401, and transit. And finally, Market District in West Pickering's best location. It has several big box plazas, schools, University of Toronto Scarborough campus are all within easy reach. As the westernmost city in Durham region, Pickering is a hotspot for rapid growth due to its close proximity to Toronto and a wide variety of parks and family amenities. Over the past 5 years, trends have shown townhome pricing has grown from an average price of just over $500,000 to more than $900,000, making it the second highest price increase in Durham. In the resale market in 2021 alone, we've seen an average list price versus sale price increase to 108% of asking, indicating a healthy market and a very low supply. But even with these increases, Pickering is still one of the most affordable communities in the GTA to purchase a new home. Pickering has experienced rapid growth in population, topping over 100,000 residents in 2020, and that's a rise of over 4% from 2016. As the closest city to Toronto, Pickering is expected to continue this tremendous growth in the future. And that brings us to Icon's exciting new Pickering community, Park District. On Brock Road, just south of Taunton, Park District is surrounded by lush nature, just yet minutes from the heart of the city. That perfect blend of urban convenience and natural charm. Duffins Creek is right in your backyard. Explore Valley Farm Ravine, hike the beautiful Seton Trail, and toss a frisbee in Beverly Morgan Park. Great shopping and dining are all close by. Drive to Pickering Town Centre with its wide variety of retail, restaurants, and specialty shops. The 401 and Pickering GO Station take you to where you need to go. And with fine schools, recreation centers, Lake Ontario, golf courses, parks, and more, Pickering has it all. Park District is a stunning enclave of modern townhomes offering the best contemporary design. Bold lines, distinctive style, sleek metal accents complement the natural landscape through careful use of color and materials. At Park District, we offer a wide range of housing options that include urban towns, rear lane towns, and traditional towns, starting with our urban towns that range from 600 square feet to more than 1,600 square feet. The traditional towns and rear lane towns range from 1,500 square feet to more than 2,000 square feet. The remarkable variety ensures that we have something for everybody's needs, tastes, and budget. The homes at Park District feature unique layouts designed to maximize space, create organic flow throughout the home. Open concept plans, luxurious en-suites, gourmet kitchens, and sanctuary bedrooms are thoughtfully detailed with fine finishes that offer lasting beauty and value. Premium features include designer cabinetry, natural stone countertops, and so much more. Prices at Park District start from the high 600s. Keep an eye on your inbox for our next email. It will give you access to our sales portal. In there, you'll find everything you need to start the sales process, from the brochure, the floor plans, price lists, and most importantly, the rules and regulations. We have a beautiful sales office located right on Brock Road, right at the site. It will be available by appointment only to come view with yourself and your clients and talk to our sales team. The link to book your appointment will also be in that broker portal. Deal signing will be a mix of virtual and in-person appointments.